Hi, what we're going to do here is solve an equation with fractions in it. So we've got 3x divided by 4 minus 2 is equal to x over 3, or divided by 3. So what we've got to solve is that. Now remember, the principal thing for solving equations is whatever you do to one side you must do to the other, and doing opposites. So what we've got here, we've got 4 and 3. So what we'll do is we will remove the denominator by finding the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. So we'll multiply both sides by 12. So it'll be 12 times all of this side is equal to 12 times all of this side. Now, if we multiply by 12, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So all we need to do is 3 times 3, which gives me 9x, so then we need to do the 12 times the minus 2, which will give me minus 24. On this side we've got 12 divided by 3, so 12 divided by 3 is 4, so we're going to have 4x. Now we look at 9x and 4x, which is the smaller. 4x, we'll do the smallest opposite, so we'll take 4x from both sides. If we take 4x from 9x, we're going to get 5x, and then we've still got minus 24. And then 4x minus 4x on this side gives me 0. Right, then the opposite of taking 24 is to add 24 to both sides. So adding 24 to this side gives me 5x. 0 plus 24 gives me that. And then we've got 5 times x, so the inverse of multiplying by 5 is to divide by both sides by 5. So dividing 5x by 5, we're going to get x on this side, and 24 over 5 on this side, or we can say 4.8. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation with fractions in it. The main principle is looking at the denominators and multiplying by the lowest common multiple of those to remove all fractions. I hope you've understood, and thank you very much.